Oh, Daddy will ask you what animal and sound, ha? Okay? Okay. Wow, it's a jelly ace. Oh, look. What animal is this? It's what?
Cow.
Cow. What is the cow said? Moo. Okay, very good. What color? This one. The gelatin.
Red.
Red. I will give you the red one.
The red one, not the red one. Not the push one. Not the pink one.
Okay.
Here.
Yeah. Yummy. Oh, si Kuya. Let's ask Kuya. Let's ask Kuya. Kuya Marcos, where is the horse? Horse. Very good, oh. Oh, horse. What did the horse says, Malcolm? Louder. Oh, si Kuya. I will open the horse to Kuya because Kuya pointed it correctly. Yeah, horse. Here, Kuya. Come. Yummy. Very good. How about this one, Malcolm? What is this?
Chicken.
It's a chicken. Oh, what does the chicken say?
Cockle-doodle.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. What is the color of the jelly ace?
Green.
Green. Very good. Yeah. Alright. Now we will open the chicken jelly ace. Here you go. Yummy. Huh? Oh. Again, what are the animals that you name? It's a horse. This one. This one.
A chicken.
Chicken. And a
Cow.
cow. Oh, what does the cow said? What does the chicken says? Chicken. How about the horse? Very good. Daddy will find another farm animal. Can you guess what farm animal will Daddy get? Guess what farm animal? What do you think?
I think this one.
You think it's a? You guess.
This one
What is this?
is
You guess first. Is it a monkey?
yeah.
Oh, are you sure?
Who's that?
Oh. Ta-da! What is this?
It's a goat.
It's a goat. What does the goat says? I will ask Kuya. Kuya Marcos, where is the pig? Uh-oh, this is yan, very good Kuya Marcos. Oh, what does the pig says?
This does oink.
Oink. Kuya, what does the pig says? Say oink. Say oink. Say oink. Ay! No! Oink! Oh, sige. What do you like? Goat or pig, Kuya?
Pig.
Oh, you want pig? Okay.
Big yung goat.
I will open first yung goat for Kuya. Here you go, Kuya.
Kuya Red?
Kuya, goat. Ay, ano yung kinain ni Kuya? Goat. Sa'yo, pig.
Pig.
Pig. What does the pig says? What does the pig says? Funny ko. Funny. Funny, funny. Oh, here you go. Oh, here. Yummy. Yummy. Can you guess what farm animal will Daddy get? Tatanan. Oh, Kuya. You choose. Choose. I let Kuya choose. Kuya, can you choose? Point. One of my hands. This one? Oh, what is this, Kuya? Duck.
Another duck.
What does a duck says?
Quack, quack, quack.
How about this one?
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. It's a
Chicken.
chicken.
Again.
I will ask Kuya. Kuya Marcos, where's the chicken? Kuya, you point, where's the chicken? Where's the chicken? You look. You look, Kuya. Where's the chicken? No, yan. Very good. Oh, what do you want?
I want cock-a-doodle-doo.
Oh, you want the red one. Okay, Daddy will open, ha?
Oh, the
What do you want? Orange or red? Orange is the duck. And the red one is the chicken. You want the chicken? Okay.
Chicken. Chicken. You got me this?
Yeah. Here you go.
That's the good one.
Here. Uy, ang dami niyo nang naita. Sabi ni Daddy, tig 3 lang. Ilan na ba yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ba? Sobra, no? O kuya, here's your duck. Here's Kuya's duck. Kuya. Kuya Marcos, open your mouth. Here. Duck. Here. Yeah. Very good.
What animal?
Again, what animal is this? Duck. Hey, do not put that in your mouth. Hey. Duck.
Chicken.
Chicken. You hold it. Oh, what does the duck says? What is the chicken says?
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
What does the pig says? What does the goat says?
Ba 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 ba.
Like a
Ba
sheep?
ba 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 ba.
Me.
Ba.
Sheep yun, anak. Pag goat, me. Oh, how about the cow?
Me.
What does the cow says?
No.
How about the horse?
Nay.
Nay. These are...
What?
What are these animals? You can see in the farm. Very good.
Daddy.
Very good.
I
High
can
five.
do like this.
Very good. High five. High five. Oh, Kuya Marcos, high five. Very good.